Good morning. My name is Artha Sitompul and my friend.
My name is Ria Lutfiah Muhdy.
We are from Senior High School number 17 Palembang.
Utilizing Tofu liquid waste into the face mask. Our research structure are contains first, introduction, second, research methodology, and next, research analysis, conclusion, and the last, future work. Introduction.
As we know, in these situations, Indonesia is hit by COVID-19. Some communities try to prevent the transmissions of coronavirus that caused by COVID-19. One of them is by using surgical face masks that serve towards of spread of droplets from the patients. If hundreds of thousands to millions of people throw the used face mask away, the used mask will accumulate as a new pollutant if they are not treated well. Seeing this filling up of the face mask waste, we have an idea to make a face mask from a waste. You know that in Indonesia, many tofu home industry produce tofu liquid waste, which is often disposed directly into household water, thus delivering water and air pollution. This study is converted tofu liquid waste into mouth mask. By utilizing the tofu liquid waste into a mouth mask, it will reduce disposable mask waste and tofu liquid waste to support the environment.
Research methodology.
The method in this research that we use is quantitative method. The tools and material that used in this research are as follows. 1 liter of tofu liquid as the main ingredients in making face mask. Second, 50 grams of Acetobacter bacteria as a material that forms tofu liquid waste into nata de soya. 100 grams baking soda, 200 milliliters hot water, 800 milliliters apple cider vinegar, 1 milliliter of essential oil. As a fabric fragrance made by tofu liquid waste. Cotton clothes as a layer of the mask, polyester cloth as a layer of the mask strap, yarn as a connector between the layer of the mask.
Next, newspaper, container, digital scales, spoon, knife, microwave, measuring pipette, ruler, scissors, pencil, and needle.
C. Procedure. First, prepare all the materials and tools. Second, pour 1 liter of tofu liquid waste into the container. Next, put 50 grams of Acetobacter into the container and stir the liquid waste, tofu, and the bacteria to mix well. And then put the newspaper under the lid of the container. Next, close the container and make sure the container is tightly closed. Wait 14 days for the tofu liquid waste fermentation to become the nata de soya. After the nata de soya is finished, slice the nata de soya into thin strips. Next, take one of the seeds, then microwave for 6 hours at 70 degrees Celsius. After the nata de soya is dry and becomes cold, then pour 100 grams of baking soda into another container. And then add 200 ml of hot water and 800 ml of apple cider vinegar. Then soak the clothes to soften it. Pour 1 until 2 drops of essential oil to give a good smell. And then dry the cloth. Make the face mask design on the cloth using a pencil and ruler. And cut the pattern. Next, take a cotton cloth and a polyester cloth. Cut the cotton and polyester fabrics at same size as the tofu waste-based fabric. Next, stack the fabric together. Prepare the thread and thread it into the needle. Sew the fabric together at the edge of the face mask. And then sew the mask straps to the layer of the mask. And then the face mask is ready to use. Results and analysis. This research encountered problem in step 7 by making nata de soya. The obstacles include: first, lack of time to experiment repeatedly because it is still a pandemic, and second, difficulty finding good quality ingredients because they are still in the pandemic period. Conclusion: this research is still in progress because of limited resources and trade problems during pandemic. Future work: the tofu waste-based fabric reduces environmental pollution. This fabric is also able to cover using healthy face mask demand during a new era after pandemic.
That's all about our presentations. Sorry for all mistakes and thank you.